Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chileta Cynthia. I hope you guys are doing all right. So guys, in this video I just want to show you guys how I transformed this my beautiful sister into a gorgeous damsel. So guys, if you're interested in watching this video, do keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me because I'm your girl. Yeah, so guys, let's just get down into this tutorial. So guys, I'm going to be using some brow gel and I'm going to be using some hair wax to lay the hairs on her brows just to make it more relaxed and more natural.
Yours freckles just as light could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
So guys, right here I'm going to be setting the brows just to remove the shine from the brow gel. I think I applied too much here, so I'm just going to be dusting it immediately so it doesn't turn white.
7 days, 7 nights since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. Since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
So guys, not to worry, I'm going to be writing up every product that I used in this video down in the description box, so do not be bothered. I'm going to be showing you guys every of these products. I'm going to be using this black shade from the matte chroma. I'm going to be showing you guys the palette and as well as writing the name of this product in the description box. So guys, I'm going with some transition. I'm going on with this burnt orange shade in my Bestie Jam palette, the one I just showed you guys, and that's what I'm going to be using to blend all of this cooking up together. So guys, I wanted to ask this question: what do you do to clients that have really sensitive eyes? Because this girl here is stressing me badly. She's stressing me. I just had to just leave it. I wanted to make the downs smoky as well, but the way she behaved here, it was not possible at all. So guys, I'll be going ahead to moisturize her face, and my go-to product is Nivea. Really affordable and does the best work in moisturizing. So guys, yeah.
7 days, 7 nights since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind.
So guys, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. primer, face primer, to prime her sweat areas. I'm not going to be priming on her face, just her under her nose. What they call this, is this chin or mustache? So I'm going to be priming her face, under her mouth, that's her chin, and her nose area. That's where she sweats most, so that's where I'm going to be putting this primer. Yeah,
cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
So guys, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder before you blend any cream products on your face. I guess the best way is to damp your beauty blender so it can give you that smooth blend.
7 days, 7 nights since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just the same. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
So guys, I don't take so much time to bake. I just blend and brush out that setting powder immediately. So guys, if you want to learn how to tie this beautiful take a bow gele style, then I posted it down on my channel. You guys should definitely go and watch that video. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment down in the comment section what you think about this look. Bye.